When it comes to printing stickers and labels, everybody might think that it's very complicated, and the first thing that you think about is going online and ordering, but instead, why not just print them at home, save yourself the cost, the headache, and control the full production? Well, today, I got the perfect solution for you. This is the Liene PixCut S1 and is the world's first smart printing and cutting all-in-one machine for home use. And it basically turns beginners into DIY pros in 30 seconds. Let me show you. Now, most people buy ready-made stickers online or use separate printer and cutting tools to make it happen. But the Liene PixCut S1 combines printing and precision cutting in one device. The only thing that you have to do is design on the app, print it, and automatically begins cutting it. No secondhand cutting, no scissors, no knife trimming. It's literally just print and cut on one go. Inside of the box, everything is very simple. The Liene PixCut S1 unit, the materials, the setup guide, and the installation is just a few minutes. It's not a complicated machine and is built for home creators. Let's go ahead and start with the AI lap and auto cutting, because this is where it gets pretty smart. Inside of the app, there's an AI lap auto cutting feature that automatically detects your design outline, and the only thing that you have to do is just upload a portrait, illustration, or your custom design, and intelligently outlines and cuts around it. And that's how beginners can create professional looking stickers almost instantly. And if you want a maximum material use, you can just manually adjust the sticker margin for minimal zero margin cutting so you don't get wasted edges. Now, up next is the printing and precision cutting, because this is what the satisfying part is. It prints your design in high quality, waterproof, UV resistant, scratch resistant finish, then automatically feeds it into the cutting stage, and the result are clean edges, no manual trimming, and no second cuts. And this is pretty much what makes it different from a regular printer. And this is going to be a great tool to have in your home or for your small business. This is not just for scrapbooks. You can literally use the Liene PixCut S1 for custom brand labels, Etsy sticker shops, gift wrapping stickers, wedding tags, bakery packaging, flower shop branding, I mean, you name it, even a holiday themed limited edition designs. Instead of just ordering stickers online and waiting for days, I think you can just create on demand, and that means it's lower cost for you, no waste, a full personalization, and even supports automatic material feeding for batch printing, making a small business production a lot smoother. So if you love organizing your space, you can create custom kitchen labels, tool labels, storage tags, and make everything look cohesive. And beyond labels, you can print photos, custom gifts, or even monthly themed stickers like Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduation, Christmas. It is not just about stickers, it's about personalization. So I think the real benefit is that instead of buying generic stickers or instead of paying high prices for custom labels, you can just own the production, printing, and cutting in one machine, AI-assisted precision, and beginner-friendly workflow that makes everything a lot easier. And the Liene PixCut S1 just makes everything simple and gives you full creative control. So if you have ever wanted to start a sticker side hustle, personalize gifts, upgrade your scrapbook game, or just stop buying stickers online, I think this is going to be the easiest way to start. I'm gonna leave exclusive link down in the description below if you wanna grab one of these. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.